Hello everyone. Are you tired of water getting in your vehicle
We all know that many people forget to close the sunroof when they leave their vehicles, and all of a sudden, weather change and start raining.
or you having problems of water getting into your home when it's raining because you left the windows or the skylights open? So the water got everywhere inside your house. That caused a lot of damage to your flooring and furniture.
If you don't have a smart embedded system that control all your windows and the skylight, you must start to think to install one.
Another problem that mostly homeowners always having with rain on their swimming pools.
For all solutions, we got a unique design that is worth and affordable to many people to use in their life to protect themselves and their properties. It's reliable, high sensitive for raindrops, and fast in response to react immediately to take action and warn people. Stay with us and watch our video.
We are pleased to have you participate with us in this simple video to learn about a new design that may bring positive change in our future life. It's the rain sensor with alarm sound to detect rain.
The basic idea of our project is to detect rain using the rain sensor with the alarm to warn people in such a short amount of time that it's going to rain. In this circuit diagram, we have an input device, rain sensor, connected to Arduino board pin 2, and the output device, alarm buzzer, connected to pin 4. We added to the circuit a contact relay so we can control the coil of the relay to energize the closing switch and close the sunroof or any other object on different applications, such as closing windows and swimming pool cover. When the open switch is pushed manually, it sends a signal to the motor control module that is built in the vehicle and start to open the sunroof.
Then, when the rain sensor detecting rain, it tells the Arduino board to send a high signal to energize the alarm buzzer and the coil of the relay. And that relay will send the voltage signal from other source, such as a battery or DC power supply, to feed the control switch that will close the sunroof.
control the input and output signal to communicate with devices. The rain sensor is connected to A1 small board. Also, we have the alarm buzzer connected to the Arduino board.
Also, we use the breadboard to organize parts and connected them together using a small wires without the need of soldering, and that makes it super easy to assemble. We use the USB cord to connect the circuit to the PC and also to energize the Arduino board and transfer data.
As soon as we connect the USB cord with 2.0 output port from the PC to the Arduino board, the green light comes on to tell us the board is ready to transfer data with the PC.
After we downloaded the code into the Arduino board and saved it, we are going to test our circuit and see if it's gonna work when we drop some water on the rain sensor.
I'm going to add some drops of water on the rain sensor and show you what is going to happen as soon as the water touches the sensor. Very impressive, the alarm turned on immediately, which is telling us how fast the circuit responds.
Now, if we dry the water drops off the sensor, we can see that the circuit alarming stopped automatically and the LED light switched back to earlier step.